Hello everyone, so if you want to know how to use functional buttons on the Marshall Major 4, here is one functional button, it's called M button. So first of all, make sure that you're connected to your phone or the device you're using. So now to start the music or to stop the music, simply tap once, and as you see, track starts and track ends. Now, if you want to adjust the volume, simply tilt this M button up or down. So just like this, as you see, volume is changing. If you tilt it up, it will tilt it. If you tilt it down, it changes as well. Now to skip track or to go back to the previous track, simply tilt it to the left or to the right. So just like this and just like this to go back to your track, right? Easy as that. If you want to answer a call, simply press the button once, and to decline incoming call, once again press the button once. Double tap for quick connection. So if you're gonna hold it a bit, first of all, yeah, you can hold it and turn it on or turn it off by holding it 3 seconds. Just like this. For the further connection, just keep on holding it until it would go blue. When it goes blue, it means it's in a pairing mode. Also, if your device supports a voice assistant, the double tap on your button will activate it. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.